We begin tonight with the very latest on Chad Daybell's triple murder trial following another week of disturbing testimony in Idaho. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us for 12 News at 6. I'm Kariva Devine.
And I'm Tram Mai. The so-called doomsday author is married to Lori Vallow. He's accused of killing her kids, Tylee and JJ, who used to live here in the Valley, and also his first wife, Tammy Daybell.
12 News journalist Erica Stapleton is breaking down the key moments from the courtroom this week.
The jury heard from more than 20 witnesses this week, including Lori Vallow's own son, Colby. Colby Ryan faced his own mother in court last year, and now he's facing Chad Daybell. Ryan is Lori Vallow's adult son from Arizona. Vallow was convicted in this case last year for killing her other two kids, Tylee and JJ, after moving them from Arizona to Idaho in 2019. She was also convicted for her role in the death of Tammy Daybell, her current husband Chad Daybell's first wife, and sentenced to life in prison in Idaho. Now, Chad is on trial for the same murders.
You were asked if she could be influenced.
Yes,
Do you believe your mother was influenced by Chad Daybell?
100%. I think she could be influenced. Yes.
Ryan testified earlier this week, along with several investigators and others who knew the Daybell family. Some thought Tammy Daybell's funeral was rushed and said they were concerned that there was no autopsy and that Chad married Lori just a few weeks after Tammy's death. The jury heard the 911 call from the day Tammy was found dead in her home. Chad talking to the operator.
Well, I'm Chad, the husband. She's clearly dead. We don't know.
Sorry.
The coroner testified that Tammy had foam in her lungs, but it didn't turn into a homicide case until after investigators started looking for Tylee and JJ, who were ultimately found buried in Chad Daybell's backyard. In cross-examination, Chad Daybell's attorney asked witnesses if Chad's grief over Tammy's death seemed genuine, who all said yes. The defense has also been trying to cast blame on Lori's brother, Alex Cox. Cox is considered a co-conspirator in this case. It's also believed Cox tried to pull a gun on Tammy Daybell in the days leading up to her death. She wasn't hurt but rattled and thought it was a paintball gun. The jury heard that 911 call from Tammy.
What was she wearing?
He was all dressed in black and he had a ski mask on.
Cox can't be charged because he died in Arizona in December 2019, apparently of natural causes. An investigator testified that when police searched Cox's home, they found guns and literature from Chad Daybell. Testimony continues next week. Erica Stapleton, 12.